Okay, so I just came across this app called Dayflow and it records your screen at 1 frame per second. Can you believe that?
Wait, seriously. 1 frame per second. That sounds so low-tech, but I guess it minimizes the data it collects.
Right, and it analyzes your screen activity every 15 minutes to generate a timeline of your day. How wild is that?
It's fascinating, but I wonder how accurate those summaries can be if it's capturing so infrequently.
Good point. I mean, capturing at 1 FPS does limit detail, but it seems designed for low CPU and memory use.
Totally. And the fact that you can choose your AI provider for analysis is intriguing. It gives users more control.
Exactly, you can opt for Gemini or keep everything local with models like Alama. Really puts privacy first.
But doesn't that also mean the analysis might vary greatly in quality? Cloud AI could be more powerful than local models.
That's true, local models might struggle with complex summarization. It's a trade-off between privacy and performance.
And battery drain too, right? Local processing on Apple Silicon could drain your battery faster.
Exactly, it's like, do you want more security or more efficiency? It's a tough choice.
This reminds me, how does it handle distractions? I mean, can it really identify what pulls you off task?
Great question. Dayflow highlights distractions by reviewing your timeline. It's interesting, but how accurate can that be?
I guess it depends on the context. It might miss nuances if it's just looking at screen activity.
Yeah, like if you're multitasking, it could misinterpret focus. It's not perfect.
And it also auto-deletes recordings after 3 days. I suppose that's good for privacy, but what if you want something longer?
True, that limitation might be frustrating for some users who want to review their days over time.
Speaking of reviewing, the Plan Journal feature sounds cool. Reflecting with guided prompts could be insightful.
Right? It's like turning data into self-reflection, but I wonder how it'll manage to balance that with user engagement.
Exactly. It could be helpful, but if it's too much work, users might just skip it. The design needs to be intuitive.
And think about it, people might not want to revisit their distractions either. That could be uncomfortable.
Good point. It could challenge how people perceive their productivity. Some might not like seeing what they missed.
Right? It's like holding a mirror up to your work habits, and not everyone is ready for that.
That's such an interesting take. I wonder if the app could include positive reinforcements to balance it out.
Ooh, that's a great idea. Maybe showing achievements or progress could ease the discomfort a bit.
Totally. It could transform how we view our daily activities, making tracking feel less like a chore.
And more like a personal growth tool, but we should also think about how people might react to being watched all day.
Yeah, that's a big ethical question. Does constant monitoring enhance productivity or just create anxiety?
Exactly, it's a double-edged sword. Better awareness could boost efficiency, but it might also increase stress.
And there's the privacy angle again. Users need to feel secure about what data is being stored.
Absolutely, the transparency in data handling is crucial. This app seems to emphasize that.
For sure, but even with transparency, there's always that fear of data misuse lurking in the background.
And who can blame them? We've seen too many cases of data breaches. Trust is hard to earn back.
Right? So, will Dayflow be enough to overcome that skepticism? That's the million-dollar question.
It'll be interesting to see how users respond once they have real experiences with it. It's all about trust.
Exactly. Plus, if it proves useful in improving productivity, that adds to its credibility.
So if it can demonstrate clear benefits, users might embrace it more readily despite their fears.
That's a good takeaway. The real test will be whether it can genuinely enhance how we manage our time.
Definitely, ultimately, it's about finding that balance between productivity and privacy.
And maybe redefining our relationship with screen time along the way. That's something to think about.
Yeah, it's like a journey of self-discovery through data. Who knew tech could lead to introspection?
It's a fascinating intersection of tech and psychology. I can't wait to see how it evolves.